Don't do things because you see someone else on social media do it, or because you watch someone on TV, or because you think that that's what you need to do in order to be successful. Do it because it's true to you. And that should be the only reason that you ever do anything. Hello, YouTube. Hello. Welcome to another episode of Day in the Life. That's what we're filming today. But good to see you guys.
Welcome back.
It's good to be back.
Yeah.
Feels really good to be back. I know.
Good to see the new office.
Yeah, the new office today. I'm excited. I know you're organizing movers, which is great. It's perfect. 2 weeks. Is that what it is?
Yes.
This week and next week's the end of next week. Friday is when we're supposed to be doing the move. It's a Monday, clearly. Started today with our Monday morning meeting, and you may have noticed that we have a new addition to the team. Actually, that's not true. Not a new addition to the team, but Josh is now working in-house with us, which is very exciting. So Josh handles all of our administration and the day-to-day financials. For quite a long time, he's been working virtually, so out of the office. Partly because of space, partly because that was the setup that we had agreed to, but the timing has just worked out where we've needed someone to be in-house with us. Oh, hi. Who's this handsome dude walking into the office? He's been in-house now for a couple of weeks, but I've been out of the office. So today was the first Monday morning meeting that I've had with the entire gang. It's a full house, it's a full studio, it's a full meeting table. Yeah. And for those of you who had been asking me, why don't I hire men? That's actually not true. I've hired lots of men. Josh is a man. Just so you know.
Doesn't it come to talent at the end of the day?
It does. Exactly. It comes down to the best fit for the job. So that's who I hire. It has nothing to do with race, skin color, gender, what your hobbies are. None of that stuff. It's always who's the best fit for the job, who's the most qualified. And Josh happens to be the most qualified person for the job right now. And he also happens to be a man. It just is what it is. I've been getting a flood of messages from you guys, direct messages, mostly through my Instagram, about asking me if I can please do a season 2 of Bonafide for The Office, which of course I'm doing that. It's kind of a really fun series in my opinion, and I'm really loving this Bonafide series. I kind of want to keep it going. Like, you know what I want season 3 to be? Comment below, tell me what you think Bonafide season 3 should be. Okay, quickly, we're gonna pause and play some music so that you guys can get your comments in before I say what I think it should be. Okay, hopefully you commented down below. I think season 3 should be my Whistler cabin. How cool would that be? I'm just putting that out into the universe. I have no intentions of buying a cabin in Whistler right now, but I think a little ski cabin, cabin chic, that whole design would be so fun to do as a Bonafide series. Anyways, just putting it out there, maybe I'll make that happen. We'll see. I need more subscribers in order to make that happen. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that we can do a Bonafide season 3, okay? So you guys, I'm 38 and I have this one white hair that kind of sprouts. And this is the time that I always catch it, is in the rear view mirror. It just kind of sticks up and I'm looking in the rear view mirror. Oh, got it. Is that it? Damn it, I broke it.
Wait, what? Yeah, it's still there.
It's still there. It's too small. It's too small for me to get. Oh God, eating.
Oh, what a joyful feeling. I think I'm gonna stay here under all these rays and soak up the sun. Ooh,
Today's visit out to Fort Langley, oh my gosh, I haven't been out there for a very long time. It is super adorbs out there. Fort Langley is just outside of Vancouver. It took us about 45 minutes to get out there. It's a little bit of a commute, but it's a very cute and quaint little community out there. And we are partnering with Raw Canvas Skin Bar. They do lasers, skin treatments, and the owner has a really great idea for a beautiful skin bar that we are going to be designing. And her contractor Steve is someone that I've worked with for a number of years. I worked with him when we did our large project in West Vancouver, a 20,000 square foot house, and we also did a 9,000 square foot penthouse downtown Vancouver. So I know Steve really well. It was great to see him. And I'm really excited that we've got a new project started up. So 2 treatment rooms, reception, retail, and then a little staff area.
Yeah, just in that back corner. I've created a Pinterest board, kind of like
Yes.
of what I want to go off of.
Perfect.
So I have that.
That's perfect.
I love this. Like that is, to me, is like beautiful.
Yeah, I love the little like ribbed wood too. And I like how these shelves are underlit. That's really pretty.
Yeah.
So really light, really fresh, light woods. Do you like the gold
I love
fixtures?
mixed metals and everything like that.
Okay. I feel like we would have to move these doors. And that way we can do something really clean. You can have like beautiful shelving. We can light this. You can have a little bit of storage below, kind of like what's happening here.
Right.
A nice big desk, some chairs along the windows. And then we would just have to move your doors probably to like here and here.
Okay.
We'll connect with you about our next meeting.
Yeah.
So the next meeting will be a fun one. That's going to be our concept meeting. We'll look at everything: finishes, millwork, lighting. So we'll show you a few options, and then you can decide. And then you can weigh in and let us know if you need more space, less space, if there's enough drawer space, all that stuff.
And I don't want to put any like limitations or restrictions on you guys.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm excited about this. It's gonna be beautiful.
I have no
Yeah.
doubt.
Yeah. I love reminding you guys about the importance of patience and the importance of hard work. I'm all about those 2 things, as well as the importance of doing everything that you do with integrity and dignity. The more truthful you can be to yourself, the more authentic it is what you're building. There's nothing worse than being trapped in a lie or being trapped in this false idea of what you think things should be like. And there's nothing worse than lying to yourself. Screw your parents, screw your friends, screw what's happening in the media. Do you, and only do you. And that is what is going to lead to a lot of success and a lot of happiness and a lot of freedom. Karina ordered us wallpaper samples for the office. So they do it to the size of the room? Okay, they're not just rolls. Too much. Too intense. It'd be too dark for the boardroom. It's so pink. This is fun. It's a little too girly. Too simple for us, hey? Cool, but not for us.
Yeah.
These. For the boardroom? Which one do you like the best? You know what? Let's ask Catalina's opinion. We haven't heard a lot from Catalina in the last little while. What do you think?
For the ballroom?
If you have to make the decision right now on YouTube, what would you say?
Oh, gosh. I like this one.
You like this one the best?
Yeah.
Okay. Vanessa. We're taking a poll. You like this one the best?
Yeah, I think it's the classiest of them all. This one. And I love the colors of this one, but I think this one has like a nice sophistication to it.
Okay. Karina?
I would say boardroom and then second meeting room.
Whoa, 3 for 3.
Yeah.
We've talked about this already.
Not while I was here. Which one do you like the best for the boardroom?
I like this one. I would maybe do that in your office instead of like the ultra pink.
Whoa. Okay.
What are your thoughts, Karen?
Well, I can share, but we have to edit that part out. So if you're chasing money or you're chasing fame or you're chasing friends or you're chasing any other thing, you'll never be happy doing what you're doing because those things aren't guaranteed. Oh, I didn't show you guys my updated office board.
Oh, you have a new one?
I have a new one.
Ooh.
Speaking of actually...
Do you want to see it?
Yes.
But make sure you're doing it out of an authentic, real love for whatever it is that you're doing. And the reward, the satisfaction that you get from doing that thing, that is what the true reward is. And that reward should be the number one thing that you go after. Oh my God, I'm so excited to see the office. This is a big deal. I like this area because it has so much more of like a chill, relaxed vibe.
This is cool.
It is cool. Ready? Okay. Woo. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. It's so fun to see it with like walls up.
For sure.
It looks really good. It's mind-blowing how it feels actually bigger.
It does. It really does.
What would you define as reward?
I would define reward as a personal sense of happiness, a personal sense of fulfillment. If you're fulfilled doing what you're doing, if you wake up in the morning and you're excited to do what you're about to do, that doesn't mean that there isn't going to be hard work. Of course there's going to be hard work. That doesn't mean that there's not going to be bad days. Of course there's going to be bad days. That doesn't mean that there's not going to be days where you feel uninspired. Of course there's going to be days like that. We're all human. You're never going to have a job that feels inspiring and fulfilling and exciting and exhilarating every single day. And just because it's rewarding and you love it doesn't mean that it's not going to come with bullshit. Everything comes with bullshit and the hard work and the shit and the grind. Everything does. If you're trying to build something special. But the point I'm trying to make is make sure that whatever it is that you're doing it for the right reasons. And if you're getting a personal sense of happiness and satisfaction from what you're doing, keep doing it. Because that's the perfect reason to do it. So you guys know this well. And Vanessa, and look at our office. Completely cleared out, empty. Oh my goodness.
Team effort.